Welcome to Bloodsport Stocks. This is NASDAQ. My mission is just to talk about stocks and let the viewers discuss and vote to see if the stock is a buy or sell. Market summary. The market currently is bipolar. Up or down 20-30% is quite normal. Gap is up 30% post-earning after turning in a good report. CRM missed earnings and took a 15% dive, taking the entire software sector with it. Zscaler and OpenAI, on the other hand, turned in good earnings report, and their stocks are popping after earnings. OpenAI pops 25% post-earnings. Dell, on the other hand, dropped the ball with their earnings report and did a 9% drop. Roaring Kitty is also back with a screen capture showing him taking a huge position in GameStop stock. Buckle your seatbelt. The Gamestop roller coaster continues. Let's see how our last week's stocks did. Kava did drop a bit after earnings, but it also did a 50% weekly rise. Live Nation did not rise as predicted, up less than 1% last week. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just for entertainment purposes only. Feel free to comment on the stocks we discuss. It's an open forum and discussion. Hopefully we can learn from each other. Comment below with a thumbs up for a buy or thumbs down for a sell. Let's talk about this week's stock. This week, it's about Lululemon, Crowdstrike, and Dollar Tree. Lulu tumbled from a 52-week high of $511 to $312. Dollar Tree dropped from a high of $153 to $117. CrowdStrike dropped from $351 to $313. All three, Lululemon, CrowdStrike, and Dollar Tree, are good companies that have dropped due to earnings miss and market conditions in the past. Pros. CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity stock, and Lululemon is a high-end fashion sportswear retailer. Both are hot sectors and should have good earnings for their good demands for their products. Neutral. I believe that all three companies should have good earnings, but the problem is, will they have good guidance? Cons. For CrowdStrike, the cybersecurity sector is very bipolar. Right now, with Zscaler up and Palo Alto Networks down post-earnings. So CrowdStrike is very hard to predict. Dollar Tree is also hard to predict since the low-end consumer is facing headwinds in spending. My take on this week's stocks is Lululemon might surprise to the upside. Its stock is beat up enough where any decent earning report might give it a bounce. Remember, whether the trade is a win or a loss, at the end of the day, all you have is your own dignity. Have a good trading week.